Hey, it's great to see you. Are you unsure how to handle any obstacles while riding? Worry no more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master any special road situations on the Trike motorcycle. Get ready to feel confident and in control while riding. And as always, let's ride. Imagine a world where the weather is always a perfect 78 degrees, the wind propels us safely, and surprises are non-existent. While our reality may not be flawless, it's a canvas of adventure, and being prepared for whatever comes our way is all part of the ride. Emergency stops. There are moments where you will have to come to a halt in a blink of an eye. Here's a playbook for bringing you and your motorcycle to a swift stop. Engage both brakes to the edge of locking them up. Find a spacious and well-paved parking lot to practice. Maintain a straight path and focus your gaze straight ahead, not at the ground. Avoid locking the front brake as it may lead to a skid and possibly losing control. If you hear a chirp from the wheels, ease on the brake momentarily, then reapply gently without locking them up. If the rear wheels of your Trike motorcycle skid, keep the brake engaged. If your handlebars are aligned, you will skid in a straight line, which is usually safe for the situation. Remember, the priority is stopping, braking in a curve. Though it's best to avoid, sometimes braking mid-turn becomes essential. When turning, gently apply both brakes, using less force than when going straight. For optimal emergency braking, if the road allows, straighten the handlebars first and then brake decisively. Handling unexpected obstacles. Life is full of surprises, and so are the roads we ride. Here's how to handle them safely. Stay alert and scan the road ahead to anticipate any potential hazards. If you spot debris or obstacles, gradually reduce your speed before reaching them. Avoid sudden braking because this may lead to skidding. For smaller obstacles, aim to ride over them with all three wheels. Keep a steady grip on the handlebars, but don't tense up. Let the Trike glide over the obstacle smoothly. If you encounter a larger obstacle that you cannot ride over, like a fallen tree, slow down and come to a controlled stop. Assess the situation and, if necessary, dismount and remove the obstacle out of your path. Remember, staying calm and composed is key when facing unexpected challenges. Your adaptability will ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Surviving a skid. A skid, that heart-stopping moment when your tires lose grip. It may be a patch of sand on a mountain curve, or a slick spot as you're coming to a stop at a light. In a high-speed corner skid, slightly steer in the skid's direction. Chances are you'll pass that tricky spot, regain traction, and continue smoothly. Encounter a slippery spot while you're braking? If a wheel locks, release the brake momentarily and your bike should gain traction and smoothly reapply the brake. If the rear wheels skid during hard braking, do not release the rear brake at high speeds. Taming tough terrain. When facing sand, mud, rain, or other obstacles, here's your guide to conquering rough roads. Downshift and slow down before approaching this challenging section. Signal slowing to nearby traffic by tapping on your brake. Cross uneven terrain in a straight line. Avoid abrupt changes in speed or direction. When crossing an obstacle such as a piece of wood across the road, slightly rise above the seat if all three wheels will go across that obstacle, or stay seated if only some of the wheels will hit the obstacle. Maintain a firm grip on your handlebars without locking up your arms. Give a little throttle just before the front wheel hits that obstacle to lighten the front end. On rain grooves or steel mesh bridges, maintain steady throttle and a straight line. Don't overgrip the handlebars, they may vibrate due to the uneven surface. Embracing the rain. Embrace the rain like an old friend by following these tips. Gear up in your rain attire. Ensure that your gloves and your boots fit well for optimum control. Be extra cautious when the rain begins because the rain will collect in the dimples of the road, making the oily surface rise to the top. A coffee break may not be a bad idea at this time. Over time, the rain will wash away the oils, but the roads will still demand caution due to reduced traction. The best advice I can give you is reduce your speed and increase the distance between vehicles in front of you. Conquering winds. Taming strong winds can feel like an art, and here's how to do it. If the winds gust at 25 miles an hour, keep your motorcycle on the side where the wind is blowing from. Be ready to adjust if a wind blast nudges you. Becoming an animal whisperer. Navigate the animal kingdom with these 3 golden rules. Ease off the throttle well before reaching an animal. Avoid kicking at the animal because they may worsen the situation. If an animal is intent on intercepting you across your path, accelerate just before you reach it to throw off their timing. Should a deer appear in the distance, be vigilant because when there's one, there's usually 2. Deer often travel in pairs, and a motorcycle to deer collision is no way to hunt deer. So there you have it, a friendly guide of handling those curveballs that the road may throw at you in your journey. Remember, each experience adds to your journey, making it richer and more colorful, and ultimately, uniquely yours. If you like this video or videos like this, hit the subscribe and like button. Also, most importantly, share with your motorcycling friends. And also, watch this next video and I'll see you there.